Hello and welcome to a video from TPL Vision. My name is Jack McKinley. I'm the product manager for TPL Vision and today I'm going to show you how to reduce the hotspot using TPL Vision's angle changers. So TPL Vision have a product called the E-bar, and this product is a bar light that's used for machine vision applications. It's a very good bar light because it can be used on so many different applications and it actually creates excellent homogeneity with the results. However, it has an extra capability which is called angle changers, and this is a little device that you can clip onto the front of your bar lights. So it gives you the flexibility to use the product for many different applications. Now, when we talk about hotspots, we're talking about a really bright spot which you see in the center of the field of view. This can be problematic in applications like pick and place for robotics and some sort of conveyor belt applications where you're looking at a large field of view. And it can be quite tricky for your software to then pick up the images correctly. So what we're going to show you is a way to reduce the hotspots, and to do this we would vary the intensity of the illumination along the length of the bar by using the angle changers. So on the setup you see here, we have one of our bar lights, which is the same size as this one, a 375mm bar light, and it actually has 3 medium angle changers along the length, and all of the 3 of the angle changers are the medium angle changer. Now, when you have all 3 the same, it will give you an even distribution along the bar, but the way the camera perceives that isn't actually even. The camera will see that as a hotspot in the center. Now, to reduce this, you can reduce the intensity of the light in the center, and this will then reduce the hotspot in the center of the field of view. Now, I'm going to change the angle changer in the center from the medium angle changer to the wide, and this should reduce the hotspot in the center of the field of view. So I'm going to quickly show you how to do that. Just use a small flathead screwdriver and release the pressure on the springs here. And once you do all 3 on one side, you'll be able to lift the angle changer out of position. And I'm going to replace it with the wide angle changer, which is a more powerful diffusion effect and reduces the intensity in the center. And you just push in the springs to secure it in position. And you can see now the hotspot has been reduced, and it will give you a much nicer image for your software to analyze.